Right, so I got this Mk2 1977 ARP Odyssey off the interweb, and without seeing it. And apart from the usual problems like dirty switches and dirty sliders and a keyboard rebuild, I was left with one fault which I can't get rid of, which is basically if I key it, I've got a multimeter on the CV out, so that is the keyboard control voltage that's being held in the memory. You can see how it's dropping and it's not holding up. I'll push another key. Hang on, there we go. I'm holding the key on. We've got 1.606 there. See how it drops? You can hear that. So if we look at the circuit diagram, in the keyboard control voltage memory circuit, we've got C8 here, which basically holds that control voltage up. This FET transistor here gets switched off unless it's triggered, so it can't leak that way. And this looks like a double FET transistor here is high impedance. So basically this capacitor here, C8, should hold that keyboard control voltage at the same level all the time, but it continuously drops. Let's key something again and let's listen. What I'm going to do is put some freezer spray onto C8, which is round here. So here we go. And then we're going to watch that. And you can hear it getting lower and lower and lower. Where it goes. Whoa. So that, you can see where it is if I look here like this. So that polycarbonate capacitor that's there, that is basically chosen because it should be extremely temperature stable, is not very temperature stable at all after 40 years, so we're going to swap that out.